Why is it frozen? It turned off.
It's by my nose.
I'm glad you were recording too. Oh, just go. Stupid, dude. I love it. Oh man, I gotta get me some of these people.
Hey, that's ruthless, dude.
Right? Could you imagine?
My nose is on fire right now.
I take it you couldn't do it.
Go give Taylor more water. She needs more water. Go give her more water.
Oh man. No, don't give you no ideas.
You alright?
Look at little Miss Hot Stuff.
Oh my God.